Hi, in this video, I will explain to you the process of the Apollo functions. So first here we establish the connection. So I have put it the URL over here and the API key. So let's try to connect test connection. So connection has been established now. So let me confirm this one. The connection has been established now. So here is the option to import deals. So in my Apollo account, when I move to the Apollo account and click on the deals, so here I have let it create a deal over here. So I will put it the name, let's say Muhammad Ali, and the company name is the Microsoft.com. The pipeline, the stage, what will be the lead? It will be estimated closing deal. I have mentioned this one. Owner is the Farhan and the amount is 100 USD. The deal name is Muhammad Ali. I have mentioned. Let's mention uh, require require 10 core i11 generation 11 laptop. So this is my deal. Uh, so let me create this deal from the company. Here is, let's say, create a okay. So we are not going to create a new account. So select from the list. Uh, okay. So this one I am going to choose this one. Okay. So save and let it save. So I have saved this one. Okay, in the deal section, so here is one deal I have created. Let's move to create another one. Okay, deal. So this is one deal. Let's create a new one. Uh, require one server machine. So here the company is okay, so I am creating here the company. These are all of the company in the okay, the create one. Let's create a new one. New company for server machines. I have created this company, save company, and account is created. So here new company for server machines. I have selected this company. In the pipeline, select the pipeline stage is the sales qualified, and this one after that amount is 200. Okay, so save this one. I have created now the two deals over here. So let it click on here in my Apollo account. There is two deals. So go back to my Apollo account. So here I will click on the import deal. So click on this one. Okay. So Apollo and create account. Yes, I want to create the account as well. So click on the process. Okay, so it has been processed. Now go into the my pipeline and see require one server machine, require 10 core i11 generation 11 laptop. So I click on this one, require server, and here the customer is also created. So I click on this one, the customer, the detail was not available. So this one, and now move to other one, require 10 core i11 generation 11 laptop. So when I click on this one, so Renus Lub assay. This is the information available over here, and in the Apollo tab, Here is the Apollo ID exists. So that means it is synchronized with the Apollo account. Okay, now let's create a new deal over here. So I'm going to create a new opportunity. Okay, so require 10 uh, uh, network switches. Okay, so here I have created, and here I'm going to Farhan at danaxel.com. So let it Farhan under 100. So might be Farhan at danaxel.com is available. Already created. Okay, so here 1616391 I have created, and expected revenue is the 300. So add it. So I have added this one. Okay, so this has been added. Click on this one and go into the Apollo ID is missing. So I am here and send to Apollo. So this is the Apollo, and I will click on this one, the process. So see, Apollo ID has been generated and synchronization date as well. So go back to here Apollo connector and Apollo account and click on the deal, and you can see here there are three deals over here. So when I click on this deal, so you can see over here the amount. We Here is the amount. Okay. Now go back to the peoples and the company. So let's see. I'm going back to here and create a customer. So here I will create Rafka M100. I'm going to create this one, and okay, so here let's create a email ID as well. Rafka M dot 100 at danaxel.com. Danaxel.com. Okay, title is there. Okay, miss, and here create a company as well. So let's see here. I create M100 company 01. So this company I have created. So M100 M100 company.com. The website I have mentioned, and this one is also in this account, and save this one. Okay, so this is the individual record. Let it put the email, the phone number to 1616380. Okay, so mobile control X over here, job position. Okay, um, Odoo developer. Okay, so this as we mentioned. Okay, save and go back to there and M100. So this is the company and the individual record. So let it copy the website from here. Let it copy the website, and then info at and the phone number plus 9242123456 okay, the save. So the two record I have created. Now go into the list, and here go into the action, send to Apollo. The instance is selected. Let it process. So I have processed this one. So open this one, go into the Apollo. Apollo ID is there, and the next record Apollo ID is there. Now go into the Apollo account. So this is my Apollo account. Okay, so it click on the people. Okay, okay, so click on the companies. Okay, okay, I click on the company and companies and okay, and click on the company. Okay, wait for okay, now come to here in the people section. So here let it search M100. I click on this one M100 and you can see Rafka M100 and the email ID is also there and job title Odoo developer is there and the company you can see the M100 company 01 is also there. So when I click on this one, so here is the email ID and the other available detail is here. That is okay, and go into the company, and here is also if I search on this one M100. So click on this one, and you can see the company information is also available. You can see here. The other information that is not available because of the free account. So the information is synchronized with the Odoo.